Sunday and I am in my garden. It's really nice today. It's sunny, but as I've said before, you cannot really predict the weather here in the UK because today it can be sunny, tomorrow it can rain, and the next day will be snowing. So you can't really predict. But it's sunny, so I'm just sat outside. The garden is just chill. I think you can hear the birds singing, and I'm just so excited for the plants to see the flowers because it's spring now. It's officially spring. The spring has sprung, but it's still cold, so I will show you the garden. I am awaiting. That's rose, and I'm awaiting for the rose to come out, and yeah, that's the sky. So nice. This is what Molly does. She will delay everything. She will delay anything and everything because she can't be bothered to walk. Not a shortcut. Come on, let's go. So she will try to delay everything. She's so funny. Molly, you are funny. Come on then. Guys, kain tayo. So I have bacon, sunny side up egg, and some brown rice. Nag-umpisa na ako. And some coffee. So I'm sat on my conservatory again because it's just really nice weather to eat. So yummy. And also this sauce is this barbecue sauce. My goodness, my brownness. Okay, let's eat. So good. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. So yesterday, I went for a really good walk. What I did before, I went for more than 10k steps walk, and it was really nice and sunny. I didn't vlog it because I just want to have a me time. I just want to listen to my music and just walk. And I think I will do it again later. Even if you don't go for a run or go to the gym, even if you just go for a walk for, I don't know, for half an hour or an hour, it will do you good. It will really do you good mentally. Yummy. I think orchids will survive. I think the orchids are fine. I just don't know how to look after it properly. I really have to search online what can I do with the orchid. Because I'm not letting go. I will fix them. First, you can tell that they're still alive, but it just need TLC. If you're watching this and you're eating something, what are you eating? Comment below. And which country are you? And what is your favorite breakfast? I don't have anything in particular, like what I like, as long as it's edible. Mother is next to me. She's sleeping. But I'm just gonna leave her to sleep a bit. Because she's been such a good girl. Lilinisan ng asawa ko yan. Kasi fake grass yan eh. So, lilinisan yan ng asawa ko. So, that's the before. And I will post you the after. Tapos, i-video ko rin yung asawa ko pag naglilinis siya. So, yan yung process, guys. Pinabrush mo na siya. Kasi kailangan matanggal yung mga damo. Ayan. Tapos, pagkatapos niyan i-brush, pwede na siya i-jet wash. Yan. Malapit na siyang matapos. Konting kembot na lang. Yan, nasa loob kami kasi ang ingay ni Molly. Nagbabark siya pag nagsimula yung jet wash. Guys, malinis na siya. Hindi gaya nung dati na napaka dumi. So, tapos na siya. Yan. Very nice.
Guys, naglalakad na ako. Lakad lang tayo ng lakad. Dinala ko na yung dinala ko na yung selfie stick ko para makapag-vlog ako ng maayos. Lakad tayo. So, nasa na ako? Nasa 4K na ako. May nagpipiknik doon. Nasa 4K na ako. Alam nyo, nai-excite ako pag nakahit na ako ng 5K steps kasi alam ko halfway na ako. Ang ganda ng pag dinadala yung selfie stick kasi mas nai-stretch yung paligid ko. Nakita nyo. Kaya let's just go lakad-lakad and makikita natin mamaya yung asawa ko at si Molly. So I'm here up the bridge. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. There's the river. Yan. Mahabang river yan, guys. Tapos yung kabila is river din. Let me just take a video. Aray ko, dali. Tapos, pinakita ko na din to sa isa kong vlog. Yan. Yan yung isang river. Diba? Maganda siya pag ganito ang panahon. And let's just walk. Mahabang mahabang lakaran to. Pero iikot na ako mamaya kasi pag nakapag 5K na ako, ibig sabihin nun, halfway na. Lakad tayo. Diba ang ang tahimik niya dito. Kaya masarap maglakad kapag ganitong panahon. Kasi napaka-quiet at saka pag sobrang mainit, hindi masyadong maraming tao. Kasi mostly mga tao dito, kung hindi sila tumatakbo, may mga bata or may mga aso. Kaya pag sobrang init, hindi nilalakad mga aso. So pabalik na ako. May nakakita kayo mga tao doon. Pabalik na din sila sa sa starting point. Starting point, parang may starting point diba? May mga naglalakad, maraming tao. Pero mostly mga matatanda na tao. So just walking back home para makikita natin ang aking asawa at si Molly May. Ganda talaga ng panahon, no? Yan, we are crossing the bridge. Hindi ko pa nakakita si Mola at daddy niya. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila. Nakikita ko na sila, guys. Ayun sila. Si Molly. Si Molly parang matanda naglalakad. Ay, nako. Natatawa ako. Dito siya. Come on. Quickly. Where you been? Hi, oh, good girl. I'm a good girl. Aren't you the good girl? Oh, shush.
It's dinner time, so we are having, well, I'm having rice and then chicken and some Coke to drink. Guys, have a lovely evening and have a lovely week ahead, and see you on my next video.